Hello traders, welcome to Trading Card. On this particular day, I traded on BHEL, JK Paper and Indian Airseed. I will explain BHEL and JK Paper by using the charts, and let me give you the screen recording of Indian Airseed India because I found it difficult to record all these three screen recordings simultaneously. This is the BHEL 5 minutes time frame chart, and at the morning session BHEL got gapped up and increased up to 77 rupees. So I thought at the RSI index it reached to its overbought zone, and also MACD is favored for selling. So I initiated a sell trade at 77.5 with a 200 quantity and with a target of 76.5 rupees. But at the end I adjusted it to 76.9 because for long time the market held at 76.8 and 76.7. So and the price is increasing simultaneously. So I exited this trade at 76.9 rupees. This is the JK Paper 5 minutes time frame chart. From the past few days I am observing that it has a strong resistance at 165 rupees. So when I was looking at this chart, it is trading between 164 and 165 rupees. So I initiated a sell trade at 164 rupees because at the time the RSI index is favorable for selling and it is at its overbought zone. So I initiated a sell trade with a quantity of 180 rupees at 164 rupees and with a target of 162.5 rupees. This is India's 5 minutes time frame chart, and I initiated a sell trade at 89 rupees with a target of initially 87 rupees and placed a 300 quantity. But later on, due to market is at constant fluctuation between 87.8 and 88 rupees. So I exited at the market price with a profit booking of 300 plus rupees. The reason behind why I exited this order in the middle before reaching the target is that tomorrow there is the result announcement of Indian Airseed India. So there might be chances that buyers are pretty much interested in buying at the second half of the market session. So to avoid such risks, I exited the market in the middle, and also it went on the same way. After I exited, it went up again to 89 rupees, and these are the positions I took today, and I exited the market with a profit of 750 rupees. Enjoy the time lapse.